Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Aarti Bhatt. I am the dance teacher of LP Savani Vidya Bhavan English Medium School. In the month of August, 15th August, we celebrate as Independence Day. And so in today's session, I have selected the Desh Bhakti song and it is Ae Watan. So as usual, first we will do it without music and then I will show it to you with the music. So the choreography on Ae Watan. Now for Ae Watan, you just have to turn back and you have to sit. One leg up, one leg down. You just have to raise your hands up like this. Both the hands you have to take up. Then you just have to twist it. 2, 3, 4. Join it. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to stand, you have to keep this leg aside, you have to move this side. You just have to bend this leg. Okay. I'm going little back. Okay. Here we will stand up, move it. Here you have to bend and this hand will also come here. Now you just have to turn the opposite side and you have to take up and you have to make arch. Arch means backward arch. From here you have to take your hands in front, you have to keep your leg aside and the other leg should go up like this. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to join your hand, the one leg forward and backward hands up and down. See, these all moves are Ae Watan, Mere Watan. These lyrics are there, so only hands joined and postures are there. First is 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not coming in frame. I am going little back more, so it will come in frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now clear in frame. Now here, then you have to make arch. Then your hand will come here. The one leg here, the other leg up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then one leg forward. You just have to bend this leg, open it, join it and down. Okay. Ae Watan abaad rahe tu. This will come. Now music. So for music you have to keep your hands down. Your leg movements are this. So you have to just turn it. Then 1 and 2. Legs are continuously going, but body movement will be when you are bending yourself, your hands will go here. Then you will come back, your hands also will come back. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, tuck, tuck. 1, 2, this side, tuck, tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 step. 1. You just have to open your leg, both the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. Ae Watan Watan mere abaad rahe tu. Tuck, tuck. Okay. Many steps I have given now. Let's try it with the music. Hands up. Up. Leg aside. Turn it. Arch. जहाँ में याद रहे तू. From this line we will continue in the next session. So for today's session this much is enough. थोड़ा सा I will revise. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू. टक 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 एंड अगेन. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू. कोरस में ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू. सो मैं जहाँ रहूँ से बाकी रहेगा. एंड दोज ऑल द स्टेप्स विल डू इट in the next session. So till then you have to practice this much of steps and stay home, stay safe and keep dancing. Thank you.